Let's continue with NEET 2026 question paper. Question number 101, match list 1 with list 2. List 1 is the phase of the cell cycle and list 2 is the activity. G1 phase, cell is metabolically active and continuously grows but does not replicate its DNA. In S phase, the synthesis of DNA occurs and the amount of DNA per cell doubles. In the G2 phase, proteins are synthesized while cell growth continues. In the M phase, actual cell division occurs. So the correct answer is option number 4. Now question number 102. Which of the following statements are correct? The Amazon rainforest being cut and cleared for cultivation of soybean is an example of habitat loss. Correct. Stellar's sea cow and passenger pigeon became extinct due to overexploitation by humans. Correct. The Nile perch introduced into Lake Victoria in East Africa helped in population growth of cichlid fish in the lake. False. Water hyacinth is an invasive species. Correct. When a species becomes extinct, the plant and animal species associated with it are not affected. This is false. So the correct answer is option number 2, A, B and D only. Which of the following statements are correct with reference to a transcription unit? A transcription unit in DNA is defined primarily by three regions: promoter, structural gene and terminator. Correct. The promoter is said to be located towards the 5' end of the structural gene. Correct. The promoter is a DNA sequence that provides binding site for RNA polymerase. Correct. The promoter defines the template and coding strand. Correct. The terminator is located towards the 3' end of coding strand and it defines the end of the process of transcription. Correct. So the correct answer is option number 4. A, B, C and D all are correct. Question number 104. Which of the following statements is not true about the universal rules of biological nomenclature? Biological names are generally written in Latin. Yes, correct. Both the words in a biological name, when handwritten, are separately underlined or printed in italics. Correct. The specific epithet in the biological name starts with a small letter. Correct. The first word in the biological name represents the specific epithet. False, while the second component denotes genus. False. So the correct answer is option number 4. It is incorrect. Now question number 105. Match list 1 with list 2. List 1 is the process and list 2 is the explanation. Decomposition. Decomposition is basically the breaking down of complex organic matter into inorganic substance. Detritus is the dead remains of plants and animals, including fecal matter. Mineralization is release of inorganic nutrients by the activity of microbes in soil. And humification is the accumulation of dark colored amorphous colloidal substance. So the correct answer is option number 2. A3, B4.